Welcome to Flourish Academy. In our last video, we learned about variables and data types. Today, we will explore basic operators in Python. Python supports several types of operators, including arithmetic, comparison, and logical operators. Starting with arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are operators that allows us to perform basic math operations such as addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. And here are examples using the print function so that we can see those operations happen in our terminal. Say 5 plus 3, then 5 minus 3, 5 multiplied by 3, then 5 divided by 3. Now these are basic math operations, and it's just using the basic operations that we'll use during our maths, such as addition symbol, subtraction symbol, multiplication symbol, and division symbol. Now comparison operators return Boolean values, and it includes equal to, not equal to, greater than, greater than. While for this addition, I'll just add subtraction, multiplication, then division. Example is using the print function. Here we'll say 5 equals to 3. You'll say 5 not equal to 3. Sorry about that. Then we'd say 5 greater than 3. And so 5 less than 3. Now for this comparison operators, 5 equal to 3 should return false. 5 equal to 3 should return true. 5 greater than 3 should return true. And 5 less than 3 should return false. Now for logical operators include and, or, and not. Just as you've seen here, and, or, and not. And they are used to combine conditional statements. Using the print function to show some examples. Say 5 greater than 3 and 2 greater than 4. Now, the tricky thing about and if one side of the expression is false, then and return false. Now, for print, 5 greater than 3 or 2 greater than 4. Now, for the or operator, if that side is true or false, the operator will become true. Now for print, just say not 5 greater than 3. So you are just saying 5 is not greater than 3, which should return false because 5 is actually greater than 3. So I'll use my Python interpreter to execute that file. And as you can see, basic math operation of 5 plus 3 is 8, 5 minus 3 is 2, 5 times 3 is 15. 5 divided by 3 is 1.6 or 7. Then here we have false, true, true, then false. Then here we have true, true, and then false. And that is it. That is how to carry out basic operators in Python. In the next video, learn about conditional statements and loops in Python. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content.